Lately, I've been hearing some intermittent clunking noise coming from the front driver's side of my wheels in my 2011 Acura MDX. They are more pronounced during bumps and turns. I did check under the vehicle on the driver's side, and I found out that the outer tie rod boot is ripped and it is leaking grease. I said great. That means the outer tie rod is rubbing against the steering knuckle, probably almost metal to metal. That explains why we are hearing that clunking noise. This outer tie rod needs to be replaced, obviously, and it will probably cost you an average of 100 to 400 bucks.
If you don't want to spend that kind of money, watch my next video on how to replace the outer tie rod ends.